Hello, hello everyone. Welcome once again in Eklavya online classes. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine with your family. So we will start today. We will start activity based on chapter second. Today we will discuss different activity. Okay, so enjoy this activity and do your work. Activity first is match the following. First is body building nutrients. Second one is energy giving nutrients. Third one is protective nutrients. And fourth one is type of carbohydrates. And fifth one is fibrous food. Okay. Carbohydrates, protein, sugar and starch, roughage and vitamin and minerals. So first is body building nutrients. Body building nutrient is protein, and next one is energy giving nutrient. Energy giving nutrient is carbohydrate, and protective nutrient is protective nutrient. Protective nutrient is vitamin and minerals. And type of carbohydrate. How many type of carbohydrate? There are two type of carbohydrate, sugar and starch. So sugar and starch is type of carbohydrate, and fibrous food is roughage. Roughage is fibrous food. Understand? So take one screenshot and all activity do in A4 size sheet and collect in folder. This activity do by yourself. I explain and do by self. Second one is second activity is answer the following question. ये आपकी बुक में बैक साइज में नहीं है ये क्वेश्चन. सो राइट प्रॉपरली. ओके, सो टेक वन स्क्रीनशॉट देन आफ्टर राइट प्रॉपरली. फर्स्ट इज नेम 5 न्यूट्रिएंट रिच फूड. food item. नेम 5 प्रोटीन रिच फूड आइटम। 5 ऐसे फूड आइटम बताइए जिसमें प्रोटीन होता है। सो आंसर इज पल्सेस, फिश, एग, मिल्क and curd. Second question is which nutrient is on the top of food pyramid? Top of food pyramid. फूड पिरामिड में सबसे टॉप पे कौन सा फूड आइटम होता है? सो विच न्यूट्रिएंट इज ऑन द टॉप ऑफ फूड पिरामिड? विच वन इज विच न्यूट्रिएंट? आंसर इज फेट. Fat is on the top of food pyramid. Third question is which nutrients is on the bottom of food pyramid? Which nutrient is on the bottom of the food pyramid? फूड पिरामिड में सबसे डाउन साइड कौन सा न्यूट्रिएंट होता है? सो आंसर इज कार्बोहाइड्रेट. Carbohydrate is on the bottom of food pyramid. Fourth one is which food item has plenty of water? किस फूड आइटम में सबसे ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में वाटर होता है? सो विच फूड आइटम हैज़ प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर? सो फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल हैज़ plenty of water. Answer is fruit and vegetable have plenty of water. Fifth one is which vitamin are known as sunshine vitamin? Which vitamin is known as sunshine vitamin? So vitamin D is known as sunshine vitamin. So answer is vitamin D sunshine, sunshine vitamin. Next question 6 is which mineral responsible for responsible for strong growth, strong bones and teeth? Which mineral responsible for strong bones and teeth? So answer is calcium. Calcium responsible for strong bones and teeth. So take one screenshot and after then write in A4 size sheet. Next activity, third. True, false. If it's false, correct the statement. First is starch is quickly digested by our body. Starch is type of carbohydrate. Type of carbohydrate are two types, starch and sugar. So sugar is quickly digested, but starch is not quickly digested. So it is wrong. Okay, it is false statement, and this word is wrong. So answer correct statement क्या है इसका? Correct statement is sugar is quickly digested by our body. Second one is spinach is the main source of iodine. Spinach is the main source of iodine. This is false statement. So, correct statement क्या है? Which one is correct statement? Correct statement is spinach is the main source of iron So take one screenshot again. Third is vitamin and mineral. Minerals are called energy giving nutrients. This is false statement. Vitamin and minerals are called protective nutrients. Correct statement. Vitamin and minerals are called protective nutrients. Fourth one is vitamin C. C is sunshine vitamin. Fourth one is also false statement. So correct statement is vitamin D is sunshine vitamin. Activity third is complete. We will start fourth and last activity. Tell the nutrients which is obtained from the following food item. Food item. So first is sugar. Second one is spinach, salt, wheat and egg. Third one, fourth one and fifth one. So which nutrient is obtained from sugar? Which nutrient is obtained from sugar? Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates obtained from sugar. Next one is spinach. So which nutrient obtained from spinach? Iron. Iron obtained from spinach. And salt. Which nutrient obtained from salt? So iodine. Iodine obtained from salt. And wheat. Which nutrient obtained from wheat? So carbohydrate obtained from wheat. Fifth one is eggs. Which nutrient obtained from egg? So, protein obtained from egg. Okay. So, I hope you enjoy this activity and take one screenshot and after then write in A4 size sheet, and all A4 size sheet of activity based on chapter 2 collect in folder. Understand? Thank you.